Okay, I'm going to start with the products that have the descriptions too short. So we come into products in our Aussie camping store, and then we go to collections, because these are the ones that have the, as you can check in the Excel file, you can see the products that have a short description, or the description is too short. So we've come to the collections here. Now I have already done some of these, but I've had to shorten them down a bit. So this one here, extras here, I've already changed this one to it was a very short. There were only 2 words here, so I have changed it, but I think we'll leave it at that. The optimum size is 160 characters or letters, so that's the way I want it to be. A bit, I've missed one out here, look, more enjoyable. It's not important if it's longer than 160, but I want to keep all of these descriptions at 160 characters. So let me save that one, which I'm going to leave it as it is. Now the other collections, then, if we come back to collections here, we can find the collections. I've done the cleaning and toiletry, I've done the cooking collection, and I've done the extras collection. So now let's have a look at the sleeping collection. Now you can see it's, at the moment, it's only got a 2-word description. Now if I come back to the one of the other collections, for example the cooking collection, and copy this, then go back to the collection that I was just looking at, which is the sleeping collection, and I'm going to copy that in there, exactly the same one, but I'm going to change the products that we have here. So the basic text will be the same, but as it's a sleeping collection, I'm going to change the products here. So if I look below here, we can see a list of all the products that are there. So we can choose 1 or 2 of these products. So we can put camping tents, I think will be a good one. Actually we have a lot of products here. Oh no, this is a sleeping one. So okay, sleeping bags. So let's come back here, let's take out some of these. Now let's take our product then. This is an easier way of doing it. If we go to the online character checker here, which is charactercountonline.com, then we have I put the basic text in here, and now I can change the text here until I get it up to 160 words. I'm going to leave the "and much more" at the end. So we'll put in sleeping bags. I think we'll put inflatable sleeping bags. You can take these from the products that we are offering. Don't put all the complete title of the product, just make it a short product so that it just describes basically the product. Inflatable sleeping bags. Okay. So we've got 145 characters here. So let's go back and have a look at the products we have here. Sleeping bags, Camping mattress. Inflatable sleeping bags. I think I've got that wrong actually. Inflating camping mattress, I think we'll make that. It's good to see if we can get some keywords in there, which is camping is a good keyword to use in these titles. Inflatable camping mattress. Let's see if I've spelt that right. Okay, I've got a bit too much more than I wanted there. Inflatable leaves. Well, we're down to 162, which is okay. So our range of products includes inflatable camping mattress, sleeping bags, and much more. So that we can take that text then, which is 162 characters, as you can see down here at the bottom. So we'll copy that, and I'm now going to paste that into the, and that's our new title then for the, or description title. The rest of it we don't need to change. Maybe I'll change the title to Sleeping Collection. And then we just save that. We have to check our URL. The URL for the website is very short, so that's no problem with that. So let's save. And that's that one done. Now let's go to another problem that we have, which is the long meta titles. Now I need to go to my so we've got a title too long here. This is the word check. I'm when I've done them, I am then putting it in the now that was fridges, fun on the water, games, hot water, power, sleeping. So this is the one that I've just done. So I'm going to select the whole column, format the cells and give it a colour so that I know that I have done that one. Okay, and then save the file. So now I've got a title which is too long, so let's find which URL that is, or which product. It's this product here, so I'm just going to select the family camping tent product. So I'm going to copy that and come back to the products page and then just post in the, so I can find the product. And that seems to be the product there. Now, as you can see the title, the title is very long here. So we're going to first of all remove the title to to 600 characters, 60 characters. So let's family camping. Okay, 4-person. Let's take the rest of that off. Family camping. Family. Okay, now I think we'll put that at the beginning. 4-person. I like to use the capitals. So 4-person family camping, family. Pop-up camping tent. Now if we copy that and then go to our online character selector and then paste it in there, we can see that's 37 characters long, which is probably too short. So maybe we can add a few more things there for the title. Camping tent for hiking or camping. There we go. So there we go, ideal, 57 words, that's good for our title. Now, okay, the description then, I'm going to leave the description as it is, although it's a bit long. Oh no, but this is the product description, not the meta description. So the product description, I'll leave that as it is. And then if I come down to the bottom here, we need to check the URL of the product, which is, look, it's really very, very, very long. So we need to remove this down to something a lot smaller than that. So let me copy that. This cover has to be down to, the URL wants to be 75 characters. So let's copy this and go to our character checker here. And paste it in, what we've got there. So Aussie Stamp Products, Best Way Family Camping Tent. We've got 116 characters here. There's 83. Camping tent, pop up this way. Okay, I think what we can put in here then is the 4-person family camping tent, and that will be enough, I think. And then we've got it down to 76 or 75. Okay, I don't think one letter is going to make a lot of difference, so we'll leave that. That's going to be our new URL, which is a lot shorter than the original one. So let me copy that. And then if we come down, it says Edit Website SEO. So we click on that. I've got tent there at the end of it. Oh, yes, what I need to do to paste that in there, let me come back to that. All I need is this part here, which is the actual main part at the end, which is the best way 4-person family camping tent. So let's have that. And paste that in. Okay, now you'll notice that it's going to create a URL redirect because I've changed the URL. So it's going to make, you want to make sure that it is creating a redirect. Okay. Okay, now our description wants to be 160 words long, really, ideally. But if it's a little bit longer, it's no problem. So this is okay here. And the page title, it should be, the page title should be 60 characters. So let me go back to the title that we had at the top here. Copy and come down to here and paste the title in here. So there we've got our 58 characters for the title. And that's it. We've shortened it. We've shortened this. I would like to shorten this a little bit more. The best way camping tent. Okay, we can shorten this here. The best way camping tent. Gives you the best of both worlds. What about okay, well, I think we'll leave it at that. Okay, that's good enough then. So then we just save that, and we have that one all done.